Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz on an AT&T router. Step-by-step network split guide. Step 1. Find your router login details. Find the gateway IP address, commonly 192.168.1.254. Locate the device access code or system password. Keep these details handy for logging into the router. Step 2. Access the router settings. Connect your computer, phone or tablet to your AT&T Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter the gateway IP address in the address bar. Press enter to open the AT&T Gateway Management page. Navigate to Home Network then Wi-Fi. When prompted, enter the device access code from the router sticker. Step 3. Separate the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Open Advanced Wi-Fi Settings or Advanced Options. Locate band steering, smart connect or single SSID and turn it off. Find the network name SSID settings for both wireless bands. Leave the 2.4 GHz SSID unchanged, for example, my Wi-Fi. Rename the 5 GHz SSID to something different, for example, my Wi-Fi underscore 5G. Verify that both networks have the desired password settings. Click Save or Apply to store the changes. Step 4. Reconnect your devices. Wait for the gateway to apply the settings and restart the Wi-Fi network if necessary. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your devices. You should now see two separate network names. Connect phones, laptops, gaming consoles, and smart TVs to the 5 GHz network for faster speeds. Connect smart home devices such as cameras, plugs, printers, and smart bulbs to the 2.4 GHz network for better range and compatibility. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.